Welcome to another exciting episode of the day's top cryptocurrency news, videos, and review. Get ready for a wild ride through the cryptocurrency market. Discover the latest buzz, Bitcoin's explosive growth, altcoins on the rise, and the hottest political and economic insights.
We'll cover expert predictions and potential surprises that could make or break your portfolio.
Press play to find out if it's time to go all in or stay cautious.
If you value your financial education but don't have the time, we've got you covered with time-saving summaries about cryptocurrencies.
Stick around to see where experts agree and clash on the future of crypto.
Remember to like, subscribe, and support our channel.
So let's dive right in. First up, Lark Davis on the viral success story of Pixelverse. Next, Ivan on Tech dives into Bitcoin's impending surge past 70 cal. Altcoin Daily discusses the explosive growth driven by ETF approvals. Crypto Banter reveals game-changing macro indicators for Bitcoin. CryptosRUs predicts Bitcoin's new high next week. The Moon warns of Bitcoin's possible downturn. Watch out for the CME gap. Coin Bureau analyzes Biden's potential exit and its crypto impact. Finally, BitBoy boasts about ICP's massive comeback potential. Welcome back to the Lark Davis Show. Today, we're diving into something that's taken the crypto world by storm. Ever heard of Pixelverse? It's this crazy popular game with 50 million users in just 30 days.
50 million. That's not just hype, that's a phenomenon. So what's making Pixelverse the talk of the town?
Pixelverse isn't your run-of-the-mill game. It's leveraging Telegram's open network and tap-to-earn mechanics to create an ecosystem that's onboarding millions into Web3 gaming.
Right, it's not just a game, it's a full-blown ecosystem that's going viral. Sounds like it's hitting that sweet spot between gaming and crypto adoption.
Let's break down those insane numbers. How fast are we talking?
Fast! We're talking 13 million daily active users and 50 million registered users in just 30 days. It hit 1 million users in 3 days and 10 million in 10 days. That's blistering.
Wow, what's the core gameplay like?
Pixelverse uses a tap-to-earn model accessible via Telegram's mini apps and web browsers. It's packed with social features like leaderboards, friend challenges, daily combos, and a referral system.
Sounds sticky. What else drives its virality?
Pixelverse capitalizes on in-game memes and cultural references, captivating a massive audience. Word-of-mouth advertising is also a huge factor in its viral spread.
And the ecosystem, what does that look like?
It's pretty expansive. It includes standout titles like Pixel Tap featuring real-time PvP battles. It even integrates other games into its multiverse, offering a web browser game too.
Tell me about the Pixie token. Is it just another token or something more?
The Pixie token has serious utility within the Pixelverse ecosystem. It features deflationary mechanics and has the potential to trade similarly to meme coins. It's currently only obtainable by playing the game.
Who's backing all this?
Backed by top-tier investors like Delhi Mechanism and Merit Circle, and advised by industry experts from Sandbox, Riot Games, and more. It's got some serious weight behind it.
What's the word on future predictions?
The Pixie token could gain significant market interest, perhaps even matching the success of earlier viral tokens. As social gaming grows, so does Pixelverse's potential for further boosting user engagement and token value.
So what should our viewers take away from all this?
Pixelverse is pioneering Web3 gaming with its seamless blend of addictive gameplay, social features, and solid tokenomics. Its explosive growth signals a major trend in social gaming and crypto integration. Don't get left behind. Start playing. Start earning.
Welcome to Ivan on Tech. Today's exciting topic, Bitcoin's mammoth surge to new heights and what it means for the crypto market. We have our host Ivan IIINN ready to break it all down. Strap in, folks. It's going to be a wild ride.
Absolutely. Ivan dives into the meteoric rise of Bitcoin, analyzes the current market cycle, and highlights key economic factors fueling this surge. From meme coins to political drama, there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
So what's the big idea behind today's headline? Why is Ivan so bullish on Bitcoin right now?
The core thesis is that Bitcoin is on a steep upward trajectory, and 70K is the next significant milestone. This bullish outlook is based on historical trends, economic stimuli from China, and a recovering market sentiment.
Let's break down those key points Ivan discussed, starting with Bitcoin's current price action. What's happening there?
Bitcoin is pumping hard, hitting 65.4K and eyeing 70K. Despite past fears from events like the Mt. Gox distributions and Germany's market dumps, the sentiment has flipped bullish.
Interesting. And how does Ivan compare this market cycle to the previous ones?
Ivan finds amazing similarities to the 2017 cycle. He notes that after a few red candles, preceding cycles have seen strong green ones, suggesting we could be on the cusp of significant gains.
What about the broader economic factors at play? Any major influences there?
Absolutely. China's recent $100 billion stimulus has increased global liquidity, positively impacting Bitcoin and altcoins. This is a significant booster for the market.
Meme coins and fundamentals. How do they play into this bullish outlook?
Ivan notes that while meme coins like Super Trump bring excitement, fundamental projects like BBM and Métis Layer 2 are crucial for sustained growth. It's great to see a blend of hype and real utility driving the market.
Interesting. And how about the political landscape? Any noteworthy insights?
Ivan highlights the irony of anti-crypto politicians being entangled in traditional financial scandals. He also points out that unfavorable policies in places like California are causing an exodus of entrepreneurs.
Crystal ball time. What are Ivan's predictions for Bitcoin's near future?
Ivan confidently predicts that Bitcoin will soon break the 70K mark, driven by strong market sentiment and supportive historical trends.
And what about altcoins?
He believes altcoins with strong fundamentals will continue to perform well, especially those with increasing market traction.
Lastly, any broader market predictions?
Global economic policies, particularly China's liquidity injections, will keep fueling this bullish momentum. It's a great time to be in the market.
Wrapping things up, what are the big takeaways from today's episode?
Ivan leaves us with an optimistic outlook on Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. He emphasizes strategic investments and staying informed. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for daily updates.
Welcome to Altcoin Daily. Today's red-hot topic: why is the crypto market on fire right now? Buckle up and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss this.
Absolutely. Lots happening that could change the crypto landscape forever. Political moves, ETFs, massive inflows of capital. It's like a perfect storm for crypto enthusiasts.
So what's the main buzz in the crypto world today?
The primary driver is a mix of political developments and the imminent approval of Ethereum ETFs. Trump's pro-crypto stance and VP pick are making waves, and Ethereum ETFs could open the floodgates for more digital assets.
Let's break that down. How is Trump influencing the crypto market?
Trump's value in crypto circles surged after the recent failed assassination attempt and his continuance in pro-crypto rhetoric. His VP pick, J.D. Vance, holds significant Bitcoin and is vocal against SEC's Gary Gensler's restrictive approach to crypto regulation.
And what's happening on the ETF front?
Ethereum ETFs are just days away from approval. Once that happens, expect massive capital inflows similar to what we saw with Bitcoin ETFs. This sets a precedent for other altcoins like Solana and Binance to potentially get their own ETFs.
How has the SEC's stance shifted on this?
The SEC has done a complete 180. They're reaching out to push these ETF approvals through, unlike the years-long struggle Bitcoin ETFs faced.
Interesting. How about the institutional investors? When can we expect their big money to flow in?
Institutional investors like sovereign wealth funds and pension plans have long due diligence timelines, around 12 to 18 months. So expect significant investments toward the end of this year and into next year.
Crystal ball time. What's coming next?
Once Ethereum ETFs are approved, expect other altcoin ETFs like Solana to follow. This could happen much faster than the Ethereum approval.
And price-wise?
More ETF approvals will bring in more capital, driving up the prices of these digital assets.
What about broader adoption?
Institutional adoption will increase as more digital asset ETFs get approved, leading to significant market growth over the next year.
Wrapping it up, what should we look out for?
The crypto market is primed for expansion. With political and regulatory winds shifting in its favor, expect broader adoption, heavy investments, and a lot of action. Stay informed, stay ready, and let's ride this crypto wave.
Welcome to Crypto Banter on YouTube. Today's episode is sizzling with excitement. Hold on to your seats as Rand Neuner walks us through the macro indicators that could skyrocket Bitcoin and crypto markets. Are you pumped?
Totally. Rand's breaking down some jaw-dropping details. If you're a crypto enthusiast, you won't want to miss this one. Let's dive right in.
So what's the main hustle about in today's video? What's the one big takeaway?
The heart of it is that major macroeconomic indicators are flashing, pointing towards a significant upward move for Bitcoin and crypto. Rand highlights that we could be gearing up for an epic bull run.
Let's break it down. What's happening with Bitcoin and its corrections?
Bitcoin is 125 days into its fifth major correction, and it's the longest one at 27.6% drawdown. But here's the kicker. We're seeing a bullish monthly candle that could signal strong upward momentum if it closes green in the next 14 days.
Interesting. Now about those macro indicators, what's the deal?
The dollar index, DXY, is showing signs of breaking down, which usually leads to significant bull rallies in crypto. Plus, gold is hitting new all-time highs. If crypto follows gold's lead, we're in for a treat.
And the news about interest rates cuts. How's that playing out?
The market's expecting 6 interest rate cuts in the next year. Lower rates mean more money is likely to flow into riskier assets like crypto.
China's liquidity injection sounds like a game changer. What's up with that?
Absolutely. The People's Bank of China injected over $100 billion, the highest since February 2024. This could be the fuel the market needs, not to mention the potential unbanning of crypto in China.
Quite fascinating. And what about key levels and resistance?
Bitcoin staying above $60,000 is crucial. If it breaks above current resistance levels, we're looking at a potential major bull run.
All right, so what predictions are we talking about here?
First off, if Bitcoin rises another 7%, it could confirm a bull trend. But don't be shocked if there's a short-term pullback to 62,000. Consider it a prime buying opportunity.
And post-halving cycles, what's the buzz there?
Historically, halving events lead to massive price upticks. The pattern suggests we could be gearing up for another parabolic phase.
Wrapping it up, what should investors do with all this info?
Rand suggests strategic caution while staying bullish. Keep an eye on those key levels and be ready for potential pullbacks to maximize gains. It's all about riding the wave with a clear plan.
Welcome to another electrifying episode of CryptosRUs. Today's headline: Bitcoin believers, buckle up because a new high is on the horizon next week.
That's right, George Tung is back and he's got some crystal clear predictions for us. Bitcoin is on an unstoppable run. It went up from 63,000 to 65,500 in just one day. And that's not all.
So, what's the main point George is driving home in this video?
The core thesis here is that Bitcoin is set to hit new all-time highs by next week, thanks to several market-moving events and overall bullish sentiment.
What's fueling this rocket ride? Let's break it down.
First up, Bitcoin's incredible run. It jumped from 63,000 to 65,500 overnight. And it's not just Bitcoin. Ethereum and Solana are joining the party, with meme coins like Pepe and Bon going crazy too.
Sounds like the sentiment is flipping faster than pancakes at a diner. What's going on there?
Absolutely. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index flipped from extreme fear to greed in just 3 days. George reminds us of crypto's roller coaster history, big drops followed by bigger recoveries.
All right, what else is cooking? Any big events we should know about?
You bet. Ethereum ETFs are getting listed next Tuesday, right before the Bitcoin conference. Billions of dollars are flowing into Bitcoin spot ETFs, with BlackRock alone pumping in $200 million in just one day.
That's huge. And what about selling pressure? Any storm clouds?
Surprisingly, no. Unlike previous market scares, there's minimal selling pressure right now. The Coinbase premium is at a 3-month high, showing that retail investors are buying in, not cashing out.
Moving on to predictions, what does George have in his crystal ball?
He's forecasting Bitcoin to hit between $74,000 and $75,000 before the Bitcoin conference next week. He even hints at major announcements from pro-Bitcoin figures like Trump.
What about Ethereum and the altcoins? Any love for them?
Definitely. Ethereum is expected to climb to $4,500 or even $5,000 with the ETF launches. Altcoins will follow Bitcoin's lead, and we could see a market-wide resurgence.
Wrapping it up, what are the big takeaways from George's video?
George says now is the time for optimism. Bitcoin will lead the charge, pulling altcoins along and proving once again why having crypto in your portfolio is a winning strategy. Exciting times ahead.
Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're unpacking some spicy insights on Bitcoin brought to you by Carl Runefelt on the Moon channel. Get ready as we dive into why the Bitcoin rally could be in trouble soon.
That's right. Carl's sharing some eye-opening thoughts on why he believes the Bitcoin rally might be running out of steam. Buckle up. It's going to be an enlightening ride.
So what's the main thesis Carl's putting forward? Is this really the end of Bitcoin's party?
Carl's main point is that while Bitcoin has had a bullish run, several indicators suggest we might be nearing a downturn. He's taken profits on his trades and highlights a potential market drop looming ahead.
Let's break it down. What are the key points he covered about the Bitcoin rally and market signs?
First off, Carl spotted two bullish patterns, a bullish divergence and an ascending triangle on the 4-hour time frame. These signaled a trend reversal, prompting him to jump into a long position.
And he made some pretty sweet profits, right?
Absolutely. He mentioned raking in around $100,000 thanks to those bullish signs. Carl also emphasizes the importance of using trustworthy exchanges like Bitflex and Bybit.
Interesting. Now, what's this about a nasty CME gap?
The CME gap. Carl explains that these gaps, caused by price discrepancies during trading hours, often get filled. He sees a gap suggesting Bitcoin could drop to around $58,700.
Got it. And how's Carl managing his trades?
He's been taking profits gradually rather than closing positions entirely. He also believes there's potential for Bitcoin to push higher first before any significant pullback.
And he's got some strong opinions on which exchanges to trust, huh?
Definitely. Carl stresses sticking to reliable platforms like Bitflex, Bybit, and Binance, warning against less trustworthy exchanges that might be facing serious financial issues.
So what does Carl's crystal ball say about Bitcoin's next move?
He predicts a potential short-term market correction due to the CME gap. However, he also alludes to the possibility of Bitcoin continuing its uptrend before any major dips.
All right, let's wrap this up. What's Carl's final word on the matter?
Carl advises cautious optimism, suggesting strategic profit-taking and being prepared for potential corrections. He underscores the importance of using trustworthy exchanges to weather the crypto market's ups and downs.
Welcome back to Coin Bureau. Today, we're diving deep into the U.S. political landscape and what Joe Biden's potential exit from the 2024 presidential race could mean for the crypto market. Ready for some political intrigue?
Absolutely, Biden's cognitive decline is shaking things up, and the implications for crypto are huge. From Janet Yellen's anti-crypto stance to potential Democratic replacements, it's all up for grabs.
So what's the core argument of today's video?
The main argument is that Biden's cognitive issues are pushing Democrats to find a replacement. This shift could have profound implications for the crypto market, especially given the current administration's tough stance on crypto.
All right, let's break down those key points. How's Biden holding up?
Not great. His debate performance against Trump highlighted significant cognitive issues, leading to rising questions about his ability to run a second term.
And how has Biden's administration treated crypto so far?
Pretty harshly. From appointing crypto arch-nemesis Gary Gensler as SEC chair to a broader effort to stifle the industry, the administration's been no friend to crypto.
What about the Democratic Party's stance? Any cracks showing?
Definitely. Some Democrats in Congress have started voting against anti-crypto policies, which shows their divided stance as election pressures mount.
Interesting. How do prediction markets fit into all this?
Prediction markets are showing Kamala Harris as the favorite at 32%, followed by Michelle Obama at 6% and Gavin Newsom at 3%. These markets provide a constant stream of public opinion and are often more accurate than traditional polls.
Time to gaze into the crystal ball. What predictions are being made?
First off, Biden's potential exit could lead to Kamala Harris taking the nomination, and her tech-friendly background might mean better days for crypto. Gavin Newsom is also a contender who seems more open to crypto, but his odds are currently low.
To wrap it all up, what's the big takeaway from today's video?
The big takeaway is that Biden's potential exit could drastically reshape the landscape for crypto regulation. Gavin Newsom appears most favorable for crypto, but Kamala Harris remains an unknown quantity. The Democratic National Convention in August will be crucial in deciding the party's direction.
Welcome to BitBoy on YouTube. Today's spotlight is on the Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP. Buckle up because BitBoy has some intriguing insights about this project.
Absolutely. This video goes deep into why ICP might be set for a comeback despite its rocky start, largely caused by our not-so-favorite FTX. Let's dive in.
All right, what's the main takeaway from BitBoy's analysis on ICP?
The core thesis is that ICP got a bad rap largely due to FTX's manipulations, but the project itself has groundbreaking tech and tons of potential. It's all about a decentralized internet where websites and apps run directly on its blockchain.
Let's break down those key points. What's this drama with FTX?
FTX allegedly pumped up ICP's price with futures before it was publicly tradable, then massively shorted it, causing the price to plummet by 99%. Ouch!
That's some serious sabotage. So what exactly is ICP aiming to do?
ICP wants to decentralize the internet. Imagine running websites and apps directly on the blockchain. No middlemen. It's designed to scale endlessly and replace traditional servers.
Got it. What about the technical stuff? Any cool features?
Tons. For starters, ICP uses neurons for governance and staking and canisters to create decentralized apps. Plus, it has an internet identity feature for secure, private authentication across various platforms.
Neurons and canisters. Sounds like they're gearing up for a sci-fi movie. What about staking?
ICP offers stellar APYs for staking, encouraging long-term commitment. Lock your tokens for anywhere from 6 months to 8 years. The longer the lockup, the bigger the rewards.
All right, looking ahead, what predictions did BitBoy make?
BitBoy believes that ICP might quietly slip into mainstream internet culture, capitalizing on its decentralized architecture and scalability. It's flying under the radar now, but not for long.
Summing it all up, what should viewers take away?
Keep an eye on ICP. It's got the tech to disrupt traditional internet systems and is designed with user privacy and data ownership in mind. Long-term investment in this one could pay off big time.
In today's episode, our experts provided compelling insights into the crypto market. Lark Davis highlighted Pixelverse's incredible user growth and tokenomics. Ivan on Tech is bullish on Bitcoin's potential surge past $70,000, driven by historical patterns and global liquidity. Altcoin Daily predicted massive gains from upcoming Ethereum ETFs, while Crypto Banter pointed to bullish macro indicators.
CryptosRUs is optimistic about Bitcoin hitting new highs next week, even as the moon expects a possible correction. Coin Bureau delved into the political landscape, noting how Biden's potential exit could impact crypto regulations. Lastly, BitBoy is confident in ICP's comeback, attributing its past struggles to manipulation by FTX.
Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to stay informed and strategic in your investments. Thanks for watching the day's top cryptocurrency news videos in review for July 17, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.